I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast. Welcome to a special audiobook bonus series here on the AI Beginner podcast. Let's jump right back in and dive into Chapter 5. Chapter 5, How to Talk to AI, Prompting Without the Pain. If there's one chapter that separates frustrated users from confident ones, this is it. Most people think AI is about knowing secret commands or technical jargon. It's not. It's about learning to have a clear conversation. You don't need to program AI. You just need to communicate with it. The truth is, AI is only as smart as your prompt. Garbage in, garbage out. Or as I like to say, vague in, vague out. Once you learn how to talk to AI clearly and naturally, everything changes. You'll start getting results that actually make sense, and you'll spend less time arguing with your laptop. The golden prompt formula: clarity, context, and creativity. There's no secret code, but there is a simple structure that works every time. I call it the golden prompt formula. Clarity plus context plus creativity equals great results. Let's break that down. Clarity means telling the AI exactly what you want. Don't assume it knows your intention. Be specific about the task and format. Instead of write something about AI, say write a 200-word introduction for a beginner's guide to AI in a friendly, plain English tone. Context means giving it enough background to understand why you're asking. If you were giving this task to a human assistant, you'd explain who it's for and what it's meant to achieve. Do the same here. For example, you're helping me write a blog post for small business owners who are new to AI. Keep it simple and practical. Creativity means leaving room for exploration. AI shines when you give it freedom to surprise you. For example, by asking for 3 alternative headlines, 5 approaches, or a few creative ideas. It's like brainstorming with a tireless coworker who never runs out of coffee. Put it all together, and your prompt becomes a clear, guided instruction instead of a guess. Here's the golden formula again, in plain terms. Tell it what role to play. Give it clear instructions. Provide context or background. Specify the tone, style, or format you want. Ask for options or creativity when needed. Common mistakes people make. Everyone, even experienced users, falls into the same traps when prompting. Here are the big ones to watch out for. Mistake 1, being too vague. Write about AI. That's like telling a chef, cook something. Sure, you'll get food, but it might not be what you wanted. Mistake 2, asking everything at once. Explain AI. Give me 10 examples. Write a script, make it funny, and summarize it. That's 5 separate requests. AI does better with one clear goal at a time. Mistake 3, forgetting context. If you don't explain who it's for or why you need it, the AI must guess. That's how you end up with an answer that feels off. Mistake 4, giving no feedback. AI learns from your corrections within a conversation. If the response isn't right, say so. Try, that's close, but make it shorter and more casual. You'll be amazed how fast it adjusts. Mistake 5, treating it like Google. AI chat isn't a search engine. It doesn't just fetch information. It creates responses based on patterns. You'll get better results if you speak conversationally instead of typing keywords. Fun examples of before and after prompts. Let's look at how small changes make a big difference. Example 1, writing assistance. Before, write about artificial intelligence. After, write a 150-word introduction explaining artificial intelligence to beginners. Use a friendly tone, simple language, and one light joke at the end. Result: the first version gives you a textbook definition. The second feels like a person wrote it for an actual audience. Example 2, marketing help. Before, create an ad for my business. After, you are a marketing expert helping a small business that sells eco-friendly candles. Write 3 short ad headlines and 1 paragraph of ad copy in a warm, friendly tone. Emphasize natural ingredients and relaxation. Result: instead of a generic ad, you get content you can actually use because the AI finally knows who you are, what you sell, and who you're talking to. Example 3. Coding or technical tasks. Before, write a PowerShell script to create user folders. After, write a PowerShell script that creates user folders for a list of usernames stored in a CSV file. Each folder should include subfolders for documents, pictures, and reports. Include comments explaining each step. Result: the AI produces usable, readable code. You don't have to fix missing details because you already gave them. Example 4. Brainstorming ideas. Before, give me ideas for my podcast. After, I host a podcast about how everyday people use AI. Give me 10 creative episode ideas that are inspiring, practical, and beginner-friendly. Include a short description for each. Result: specific, interesting, and usable because you set boundaries. Your first practice exercises. These short activities will help you sharpen your prompting skills. Don't skip them. This is where your confidence starts to build. Exercise 1. Rewrite for clarity. Take a vague prompt and rewrite it using the golden formula. Example: vague, explain AI. Better, explain artificial intelligence in under 200 words for a 12-year-old. Use real-life examples and a friendly tone. Try this with 3 topics you care about. Exercise 2. Add context. Pick something you'd like AI to help you with. Maybe an email, a report, or a creative idea. Add details. Who it's for, what tone you want, and what you'll use it for. Example: instead of write an email, try write a polite email to a client explaining a 1-day delay in a project. Keep it professional but reassuring. Exercise 3. Explore creativity. Ask AI for multiple options. The first answer is rarely the best. Try prompts like, give me 5 ways to explain this idea. List 3 catchy titles for this article. Offer 2 different approaches, one formal, one funny. The more you ask for variety, the better you'll learn what each model can do. Exercise 4. Give feedback. Take one AI response you didn't love and tell how to fix it. Try, that's too formal. Can you make it sound more conversational? Or, this is close, but add a short list of examples. You'll start to see how interactive and flexible these tools really are. The key takeaway: the more effort you put into your prompt, the more useful the AI becomes. It's like giving directions. The clearer your map, the faster you reach your destination. Over time, you'll start to develop your own prompting style. Some people like detailed instructions. Others prefer open-ended collaboration. There's no wrong way. Just find what fits your rhythm. You'll also notice that different models respond differently. ChatGPT might excel at tone and writing, while Gemini might shine in up-to-date facts, and Claude might give deeper, more nuanced answers. Try the same prompt in each and compare it. It's one of the best ways to learn. And here's a bonus tip: save your best prompts. Keep a simple text file or note with ones that worked well. They'll become your personal library, your prompt toolkit. Learning to talk to AI isn't about mastering technology. It's about improving communication. The more clearly you express yourself, the more valuable the results become. So don't overthink it. Just start talking. The best way to learn how to talk to AI is the same way you learn to talk to people. By doing it often, being curious, and not being afraid to sound a little awkward at first. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope you're enjoying the book so far. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. And while you're there, be sure to check out our awesome and affordable courses. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next chapter.